Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to build an interactive and stylish card component in React. We'll be using some fun concepts like refs and CSS transforms to create a 3D hover effect that makes our UI look super dynamic and engaging. So, let's get right into it. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is create a new file called card.js. In this file, we'll import React and useref from the React library. Why useref? Well, useref lets us directly access DOM elements so that we can apply transformations and animations. Now, inside the card component, we'll create references using useref. These will give us control over different parts of our card, like the card container, title, image, and buttons. Each of these refs will let us apply individual animations when the card interacts with the mouse. Next, we need to create 3 functions to handle the mouse interactions. These will handle how the card tilts, how elements inside the card pop out, and how they reset when the mouse leaves the card. The handleMouseMove function calculates the mouse's position relative to the card. Using these values, we'll rotate the card dynamically on the X and Y axes for that cool 3D tilt effect. Using single quotes in this code will cause an error. Rotate X is assigned a value but never used. This happens because single quotes don't support variable interpolation. Use backticks instead to insert rotate X and rotate Y into the string properly. With the handleMouseEnter function, we'll bring individual elements of the card to life by moving them along the Z-axis. This gives the effect that elements are popping out towards the viewer. Finally, when the mouse leaves the card, we'll reset all the transformations and add a smooth transition effect to bring the card back to its default state. The outermost div with the class card acts as the container for all elements. This is the area where we apply the 3D tilt effect. It uses the ref we defined earlier to handle mouse interactions. Inside the card, we first have a div for the image, styled with a circle in the background to give it a clean and modern look. The image itself is a React logo, but you can replace this with any graphic you like. The sneaker image ref allows us to animate this element when the mouse hovers over the card. Below the image, we have an info section that contains all the text and buttons. The first part is the title, styled as a prominent header. This title, referenced by title ref, will pop out on hover. Next is the description paragraph, which gives us some text about the card. Then we have 2 sets of buttons. The first set, under the difficulty buttons class, displays different difficulty levels like easy, advanced, and so on. These are purely for styling in this example, but you can connect them to your app's functionality. Finally, there's a Start Button section, containing a button to simulate a starting action. This could trigger a feature or navigate users to another page. However, there are still 2 things to fix here. First, there's a typo in the code that might cause issues, and second, the closing div tag for the section is in the wrong place, which could break the layout or functionality. And there you have it. We've built a fully interactive 3D card using React and useref. Make sure to create a styles.css file for the animations and transitions to look smooth. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.